I'm Andrea and I work at the Ann Arbor Hands-On Museum and Leslie Science and Nature Center. In the past we've talked about biomimicry, which is when humans use ideas from nature, like plants and animals, to inspire their designs. For our experiment today, we're going to take a look at a few different kinds of seeds and see which one might be best to inspire us to make our own paper helicopter. Every plant has seeds. It's how they reproduce and make more plants. Seeds can come in a bunch of different varieties, but they're all adapted to survive and spread out. Most seeds spread out by using either water, animals, or wind. And this is called seed dispersal. It's really important for seeds to spread out because if they just drop straight to the ground, then they'll fight with the adult plant for important resources like water, nutrients, and sunlight. Coconuts, for example, are round, so they can roll, but they also can float. So it's possible for a coconut to fall down into water and then float to a new place to germinate. Acorns, like this one here, protect oak tree seeds, and acorns are a really important part of many animals' diets. So animals will eat them up and then poop out the seeds somewhere else to grow a new oak tree. Squirrels are also really important for oak tree seed dispersal because they hide their acorns in the ground to stash for winter, but they often forget where they put them. And so now they're underground and ready to grow a new tree. Pine cones like this protect a conifer's seeds until it's warm enough to grow. The scales will stay closed up in cold temperatures and then open in warmer temperatures when it's easier for the seeds to germinate and grow. I'm sure you're all familiar with dandelions that look like this. After the flower has grown and is pollinated by insects, it turns into a white puff of seeds. It's perfect for flying in the wind. And who hasn't taken a dandelion and blown all of the seeds away? Maple tree seeds are also perfect for flying in the wind. They spin around as they come down to the ground. Which of these methods of seed dispersal do you think would best inspire our helicopter design? A coconut that floats in water, acorns that are eaten by squirrels, or maple tree seeds that fly in the wind? I agree. Let's use maple tree seeds as our inspiration. What do you notice about the shape and structure of the maple tree seed that might help us? I noticed that it has two wings that go in opposite directions. And I also noticed that it has a heavy seed at the bottom that helps pull it to the ground. Let's make sure that our helicopter design has these two features in it as well. For your helicopter, you'll need a piece of paper, a ruler, a marker and a pencil, a pair of scissors, and something lightweight that you can attach to the bottom of your helicopter. A paper clip works really great. I didn't have one of those, so I'm using a hairpin. But you could also use a penny maybe, or another small coin. First, measure a rectangle that is 12 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters tall, and cut it out. Next, make two marks on your rectangle, one that is 8 centimeters up and one that is 12 centimeters up. Draw a line across the rectangle at both marks. In the middle of the two lines, write your name. Go over the line that is above your name with a marker. With your name right side up, draw two lines that divide the bottom section into thirds. Each section will be 4 centimeters wide. Go over these lines and the top line that connects them together with a marker. Now flip your helicopter so that your name is upside down, and draw a line to divide this section in half. Each section will be 6 centimeters wide. Next, you will use your scissors to cut on the pencil lines. Use your scissors to make two small cuts along the horizontal pencil line that is below your name. Stop cutting when you get to the vertical marker line. Flip your helicopter to the other section and cut on the pencil line. Stop cutting when you get to the marker line. Now comes the folding part. You're going to fold on the marker lines. So for the section that's divided into thirds, you're going to put the crease on the dark marker line and fold the two flaps towards each other, like this. Then when you hold it up, it looks kind of like a paintbrush or a popsicle. And the two flaps that are on the top, you're going to fold one down and away from you and one down and towards you. So that way, when you hold it out, they look like they're going in opposite directions. Finally, we have to add the part that represents the heavy seed. For this, you can use a paper clip or a hairpin. You could also test out taping a penny or a dime to the bottom and seeing if that works. Ready to test your design? Hold it up as tall as you can reach and drop it down. Scientists, thanks for hanging out with me and learning how seeds can inspire our helicopter design. I hope you had fun, and stay curious, scientists.